Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Let's draw a beautiful sketch of a Switzerland nice vacation home. So starting from the left side, you can see here, this is going to be the biggest cottage for welcoming the guests who are on vacations. So you can see the larger pitched roof here, and on top of it there's a tower, so most probably the watchtower. This is going to be a freehand drawing, so that's why everything we're going to draw without any instrument, and it's going to be the freehand style. So let's see, this is going to be the brick structure, and for the pitched roof we're just putting the the graphics for the pitch roof on the top. So very bright, awesome. And another extensions you can see on the other side, and a horizontal line which is coming on top. Okay, and this is going to be the bottom part, and the front facade here connecting on the left side, you can see. All right, and some doors and windows we're going to provide here. Okay, awesome. So just going from here left side to the right side, so lots of doors and windows in a parallel way, because this cottage are made for so many guests, and thousands of guests arrived from different parts of the country, different parts of the world. So this is kind of big size cottage. Okay, so this is the graphics on the side. All right, so here beside the bigger cottage you can see some smaller cottage, but in a different orientation. So that's why the pitch roof in a different orientation here, coming up the pitch roof like this side. Okay, and the portion other one going to the on the right side, and on the bottom of it you can see the another pitch roof and another house just staggering downward positions. Okay, so this is the the inclinations, and here you can see another pitch roof. Okay, so these are something like cluster of multiple storied houses. Okay, so staggering of the pitch roof again. Awesome. So the sketch is something like you're going to show the nice environment, and the surrounding nature and other nice views actually. Okay, so for the pitch roof we're just putting the graphics from the top with the pencil. Okay, and on the side you can see some horizontal graphics here. Okay, awesome. So some parts you can see going to be the dark color, and obviously there are some doors in one side here. Okay, windows on the side. All right, so you need those windows and the doors here. So a cluster of houses on the side, and here you can see we're going to put some railings, so putting some darker lines, and you can see the fences in front of the bigger houses. Awesome. And here the road is just coming up here. Okay, so on the side you can put some graphics here. Okay, the graphics for road you can see here. Okay, and some highland and upward and downward highland, and then again you can see some graphics for the bricks here we're going to put like this one. Okay, so irregular in shapes. All right, so you can see the staircase coming from the top going to the downward. Okay, so it has a sketchy effect, and you can see the highland. Okay, all right. So in the mountainous areas, there are some upwards and downwards directions for the platforms and the highlands. So those are just made by designs of the landscapes for nice scenery view and watching the nice mountainscapes here. Okay, and just using some crayons for putting the graphics more bold and more black here. You can use the fingertips for making the drawing more realistic. Awesome. Okay, so here this is just vertical progression. Mm-hmm. Here also you can see some vertical progressions. Okay, so you can put some mountain trees here just like I'm drawing right now, and putting the graphics of the trees from the left to the right. The upward direction is pointy, and as it goes to the downwards it becomes wider, and upward is narrower and the pointy. All the trees just looks like the Christmas tree, reminds me of those trees. Okay, and another tree here. So these are the common trees for the mountain area. Something looks like the pine tree. Mm-hmm. And you can see the some bushes and some smaller plants besides the house. Okay, so this is for the sketch. Awesome. Mm-hmm. The road network, just putting some dark portions on the sides of the road. Okay, so this is the basic scapes you can see, and just putting the hilly terrain, so putting the mountains here like the nice views. So two mountains and another one you can see on the behind it. Okay, so there are lots of mountains on the left side. They're putting the you know the darker graphics on the left sides of the mountain, and the right side is going to be not darker. It looks like something like the lighter sketch. Okay, so left side darker, and right side is going to be the lighter part. Okay, so this drawing is something like a mix of the crayons and the pencil sketch. Okay, and putting some graphics like this one you know okay, on the right side you can see some horizontal lines, which is something like diagonal. Okay, with the crayons you can see some diagonal lines. Okay. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Making the corners like the bold color. Okay, you can rotate the canvas a little bit just for easy drawing parts. So this is a freehand sketch, and I hope you enjoyed the view, and you can see the mountains behind the house. It also looks good. Mm-hmm. Okay, and just mixing up whole scenery with little bit darker graphics. Okay, so for the house, just final touch of the peach roof. Mm-hmm. On the left side, making a little bit darker within the graphics, and here also making a little bit darker for better convenience. Let's put the doors and windows. It looks like the black graphics. So two types of variations: white graphics and the black graphics. All right, so this is it. The drawing is complete, and thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, and see you in our next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.